Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to delete your Doordash account. For any reason, if you're trying to delete your Doordash account, then in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact steps of doing it. Firstly, you must be logged into your Doordash account using the web browser. Once you are logged into your account, just click on the hamburger menu, which is the three lines that you see on the top left. A menu will open up. You need to open up account. From the account section on the top, you'll see a couple of options. Click on manage account. Inside of manage account, you will have two options: to request archive and to delete your account. If you have some important data or your personal information that you want to download, you can click on request archive. And once you downloaded your personal information, you can click on delete account. In the next step, a verification code will be sent to the mobile number that you have linked with your Doordash account. You just need to type in the code, and once you type in the code, in the next step, you will have an option of deleting your account. You can click on delete and your account of Doordash will be requested for deletion. And your account of Doordash should be deleted within a couple of days. So that was a quick and easy process of deleting your Doordash account. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll see you in the next.